Good morning. Good morning, Lions. Turn to your neighbor and say, Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I'm excited to see what we'll achieve this week as a community. First up, quick reminder, please send a photo of your first period class for a uniform check. Let's show our Lion pride by looking sharp and ready to learn. We're gearing up for our map testing, which we hope to start again this week. We have our new computers that are set up. Stay tuned for any updates. And get ready to show what you know with our new upgraded technology in the computer labs. Bring your headsets, if you have them, to help you stay focused during your tests. A reminder for those who are in the first floor, please stay quiet and keep voice levels down. Students are testing. And this new PC lab will help us shine. Thanks again to our donors. We really appreciate it. Please do not bring any food or drink into the new lab. We do not want these things near the computers. Make sure to follow all of the new rules posted there. Let's care for this gift so it serves us for many years to come. Next up, calendar events. We want you to mark your calendars for this Friday, September 26th, when we host our C2 Day. We have some guest speakers coming. Chance to explore some future opportunities, hear from experts, and ask any questions that you might have on health. We're excited. We'll have a half day of academics in the morning and the rest of the day for safety and health. Looking ahead, we have our Fall Festival on Thursday, October 2nd. And we are thrilled to invite our families to join us this year. Make sure to tell your parents so they can also plan to attend. As always, let's keep our community safe and healthy. Wash your hands, sanitize often, and wipe down desks and tabletops. Every small action shows that we care for each other. When moving through the halls or staircases, please walk calmly and stay to the right to avoid bumps and falls. Safety first, everyone. Also, reminder to stay hydrated, drink lots of water. And when you're home, please get plenty of rest to keep your energy up for learning. Year's theme, your attitudes are contagious. Let yours brighten up the room. Let's do our best to be better than yesterday. I'm confident in each of you, and I'm praying for all of you as we grow together. Don't forget to do your Pledge of Allegiance and to go over school policies and rules. I love you guys so much. Hands up in the sky, and let's hear our Lions nice and loud today. You ready? 3, 2, 1.